This is 6 pair of garden gloves from Kanglongda, and one thing that I just saw is there's a rating for the gloves: abrasion, cut, tear, and puncture. If you're getting these gloves to do some sharp knife work, I would advise against it. They're on the low side. Most of these ratings are 1 through 4. Cut resistance is 1 through 5 typically, and these gloves are rated on the low side for cut and puncture, but they're on the high side for tear. So they're just gardening gloves. You shouldn't be doing any knife work or sharp things. But for picking up and planting, they have the rubber on the inside, so you get a high grip. They're really nice colors. They have the stretchy cuff to keep the dirt from going into your hand. As far as what size, these are large, and for my hand, they fit normal like a large glove would. My fingers tend to be a little bit shorter, but my hand is bigger, and they fit really good. So if you have really long fingers, you might get the next size up, and if you have really short fingers, maybe get the next size down. But if you have normal hands, these are good ones, and they come in great colors. 6 pair.